Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Scorpio. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love. Sa inyong Tagalog love reading, ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon, first time is we're going to tap into the third party energy. Okay? So, first, take note na ang third party ay hindi laging romantic. Okay? So, third party is anything external outside the connection or the relationship between you and your person. Okay, so pwedeng kaibigan nito, pwedeng kamag-anak or kapamilya, pwedeng katrabaho, pwedeng trabaho mismo, or career, negosyo, or ACADS. Okay, so tingnan natin. Pero alamin natin kung sa Scorpio Collective, ano yung masasagap nating energy. So, habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko lang i-remind na this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, kapag hindi nag-resonate, ibig sabihin hindi sinasagap yung energy ninyo. Ibig sabihin hindi para sa inyo itong reading. So, just leave it behind and abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. Kaya, subscribe na kayo sa channel para updated kayo sa mga kaganapan at mga readings dito lang mismo. Okay. So, bubunot ako ng two cards each sa current situation between you and your person. Tapos, yung influence o yung third party. Okay? And then, paano niya naapektuhan yung relationship. So, bunot ako ng two cards for what's going on between you and your person. Three of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Tapos yung influence is um, Eight of Swords and Eight of Pentacles. Okay, eight, eight. Hmm. And ano yung epekto niya sa relationship? Knight of Cups and Knight of Wands. Night, night. Okay. Sige. Okay, tingnan muna natin. Alamin natin. Is this a romantic, platonic, or familial, or iba pa? At habang binabalasa ko tong cards na to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Scorpio na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Okay, thank you very much. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo na rin by subscribing, by liking this video, okay, by sharing it sa mga kilala nyo pang Scorpio na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe, and engage na rin kayo sa comment section. So, tingnan natin. Is this a romantic third party? Yes. Okay. So, it's a yes. Alright. So, it's a romantic third party situation. Tingnan natin. So, Three of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. Walang strong energy kung ano yung zodiac ng person ninyo. So, pwedeng any sign. So, at the moment, um, there's romance naman, and as shown here by the Ten of Pentacles between you and your person na you are planning to settle down. Okay? So, may plano na mag-settle down, and there's so much romance. However, I can sense na parang sa part mo may doubts ka. Okay, kasi there's this energy of waiting and seeing dun sa Three of Wands. So parang tinatansya mo, alam mo yun, parang may nafe-feel ka na kakaiba. Kahit alam mo na okay kayo, parang you're planning to um, settle down or um, nakikita mo na stable naman yung relationship or even the people around you see naman na parang, ay, okay naman kayo. Pero ikaw, parang there's something in you na hindi ka mapakali. And ayun, gusto mong parang i-figure out ano ba yung kaganapan. So at the moment, there's an energy of a third party, romantic, okay? Romantic third party. And dito sa Eight of Swords, okay, um, and Eight of Pentacles, sige. So ayun, so parang wala, committed yung person mo sa'yo. Kaso, ano lang siya, parang stuck or parang trapped siya sa isang situation na I can sense na ginagawa niya ng paraan para makawala doon. Kasi parang stuck siya eh. I can sense dito na committed sa'yo yung person, pero itong third party na romantic, yung third party yung may gusto sa person mo. Okay? Hindi siya gusto ng person mo. That's what I can sense here. Hindi siya gusto ng person mo, pero yung third party gusto yung person mo. Gets? Okay? Kaya nakikita ko dito, committed yung person mo sa'yo. That's why kaya dito, there's an energy o yung connection niyo is settling down, stable, and there's so much romance. Pero yun nga, merong someone na related sa person mo na gusto siya, pero ayaw naman sa kanya. Ayaw naman, hindi naman din niya na-entertain. Pero what I can sense here is tinatry nung third party to like seduce or try to get the attention of your person. Okay? And how is it affecting the relationship? Knight of Cups is, mm, okay. So I think, and the Knight of Wands, yeah. There's, ano naman, parang if ever man i-bring up mo itong situation na to, and again, this is just guidance, okay? If ever man i-bring up mo siya, it will, alam mo yun, parang yung person mo would also be confident na wala, okay? Na it's nothing, sa end niya wala. Wala talaga, okay? And dito sa Knight of Cups is, there's parang mas ipupurso ka pa nitong person mo to settle down para mas ma-assure ka niya na, walang connection, wala siyang any feelings, whatever, with this third party. Pero itong third party yung parang may motive kasi. That's what I can sense. Pero tingnan nga natin. Alamin natin ang mga kaganapan sa inyong dalawa. Sige. Okay, Two of Wands and Judgment. Okay. Tapos, dito sa third party situation, Three of Coins, and Page of Cups. Okay. And sa how it affects, Three of Wands ulit. Three of Wands. Okay. So what I can see here is sa relationship ninyo, There's the Two of Wands. So, di ba nga, ah, parang waiting and seeing ka, pero stable naman yung relationship. And as shown here by the Two of Wands, there's a desire na rin talaga na parang gusto mo na rin talagang i-secure tong relationship. Kasi nga parang may doubt. Parang hindi doubts eh. Yun lang, parang hindi ka lang mapakali. Kasi nga may nafe-feel mo tong energy ng third party na umaali-aligid sa person mo. Okay, so ikaw, you want to um, decide what to do. Okay, and yung decision na gusto mong gawin is, I guess, the right choice. So whatever your decision is saying here na it's the right choice. So yung decision mo ba is to just let it go, to talk about it, to confront. So nasa sa'yo yan. It's your decision. Okay? So ibig sabihin, may decision kang gagawin dito which sinasabi naman ni Lewis, whatever your final decision is, that's the right decision for this connection. Okay? So, pag-isipan mo buti, upuan mo siya, whatever gusto mong um, i-push pagdating dito, um, then go for it. Okay? At the moment, yun nga, yung third party situation, yeah, ano siya, medyo makulit tong again, nasa tuloy na sa sagaw kong energy. Huwag kayong ano. Okay, so medyo makulit siya. Tinutry pa rin niya na kunin talaga yung attention ng person mo. And it's a young energy. As shown here by the Page of Cups. What I can see here, medyo ano siya eh. ah, mas bata siya sa inyo or even sa person mo. So it's a very young energy. Medyo inosente pa. Alam mo yun, I can sense here na ano lang. Sobrang ah, I don't think naman that this person is uh, parang will cause so much trouble. Pero it's causing, alam mo yun, yung yung annoying ba? Annoying energy. Kasi nga makulit, ganyan, parang alam naman niya din na hindi siya gusto ng person mo or alam na for sure alam din niya na in a relationship yung person mo, pero alam mo may mga ganung tao talaga na gusto mapatunayan or parang it gives them fulfillment kapag parang napansin sila ng taong gusto nila regardless if yung gusto nila is committed or not, 'di ba? May ganong energy itong person na yun. So, how does it affect the relationship further? So, shown here na mas ipupurso kaya naman ng person mo and papanindigan niya na wala, i-confident siya na walang something with the third party. And however, dito sa parang Eight of Swords, gana. Ayun, parang, again, ito mo, Eight of Swords. Parang na-stuck lang talaga siya. Ay, parang nasa situation siya na hindi rin niya basta-basta din, alam mo yun, matanggal sa buhay niya itong person na to. I have this feeling, okay, itong energy. Since parang feeling niya stuck siya eh. Parang kahit siya na ano yun na, kahit siya ayaw na niya. Pero parang kuwari, baka related sa work, baka workmate, okay? Or if you guys are studying or taking masters, whatever, baka schoolmate, di ba? Or, ayun, yun yung, di ba, yung pagkatrabaho mo, di ba? Hindi ka naman, porque may nangungulit sa'yo, magre-resign ka na, hindi naman, di ba? May ganun, or parang porque may nangungulit kayo sa school, ida-drop mo na yung subject mo, hindi, di ba? May ganung energy. So, um, just let it be. Tapos tingnan mo, nag-reverse na naman siya. Three of Wands, Three of Wands. Lumabas na naman siya. So, uh, and, ayun nga, parang there's an icky ano lang, energy na both of you is both of you is just waiting and seeing na ano yung mga susunod na kaganapan dahil sa sitwasyon ngayon, 'di ba? So parang inaantay niyo na lang, sige, pag may ginawa na lang third person ulit na ano, action, sa kanila lang siguro kayo magte-take action din, gets? So inaabangan niyo na lang din yung mga susunod pang kabanata. Okay, that's the energy that I see. Okay, so sana nakatulong. At before ko i-end, syempre we'll close it with an advice from the universe. So, ano bang sinasabi ni universe na kailangan yung action dito sa sitwasyon na to? Okay. I can sense na sasabihin niya lang is kumalma kayo. Okay, sige. So, advice ni universe ay let faith lift you up. Okay? So, accept the darkness to find light. Um, ang sinasabi ng card na to is, yeah, tiwala lang sa isa't isa. Tiwala ka dun sa sinasabi ng person mo na wala, okay? Kasi nagtitiwala din yung person mo sa'yo na paniniwalaan mo siya. Gets? And I can sense na wala. Um, makulit lang talaga tong person. Okay? So, um, ayan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. And if yes, comment na below. Abangan nyo na lang ulit yung susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits ulit. Ingat!